All right, there it is. Ice blanketing communities to the west, schools out early, treacherous roads making travel nearly impossible. Welcome to News 8 at 5. I'm John McKay.
And I'm Cynthia Izaguirre. A lot going on. It is the tale of two weather situations right now. An ice storm warning for much of the day to our west, while the east, rain and flood showers, or rather flood waters, all making for a traffic nightmare driving home.
Yeah, just like this one. This is a trouble spot in Carrollton. All but one northbound lane, 35, closed. This is near Sandy Lake after apparently an 18-wheeler crashed in that heavy rain. You can see the backup there right now. It's going to take a while and take a long time in this rush hour for folks to actually get home. Let's go over to our chief meteorologist, Pete Delkus. A little hard for me to talk to
John, call me your weather guy. I'll be your weather guy. But you know, that traffic, that video that you just saw, that's not because of ice. In the Dallas-Fort Worth area, the traffic's just because the roads are wet.
Yeah, and 35 there in that area by Beltline is always a mess anyway.
Anytime we have rain, it's a mess. We've had a lot of rain, but no ice in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Now, we've seen a lot of ice to the west of Fort Worth and also to the northwest of Fort Worth. Check this out. This is in Weatherford. Ryan Myers tweeted me this earlier today. Not only the ice, but we have some branches and some limbs down, too. Check this out. The Texas Republic tweeted this. Thunder sleet in Weatherford. Oh, yeah, and you could see quite a bit of sleet. So we had an intense storm that produced the sleet, and the sleet has covered the road. So problems there in Weatherford, Parker County, Palo Pinto County. Look what's going on up in Collin County. This is in Prosper, so we do have some, the roads aren't a problem in Prosper, but certainly some pretty pictures there with some freezing rain on the roads. Now, the ice storm, freezing rain on the trees, I should say, the ice storm has been canceled. We still have, through midnight, we still have a winter weather advisory due to some icy roads. Once again, Denton is included in this winter weather advisory, but the rest of the Dallas-Fort Worth area not included. Yes, Fannin County, Grayson County, Cook County, Montague County, and then everywhere to the west, Parker County, Palo Pinto County, Hood, Somerville. We're also looking at Wise and Jack. You're all young too. Don't want to forget about you. You're all under that winter weather advisory through midnight due to the potential for some icy roads. I mean, you have some right now, and you have a little bit of glaze in your forecast throughout the evening. The flood watch has been trimmed back. I'll show you why in a moment, but it does include Dallas, Collin, then also Grayson County locations off to the east. That too is through midnight tonight. So what we're looking at right now, light precip off to the west, just a little freezing drizzle there. Dallas-Fort Worth, that's our rain. So about 60% of us seeing the rain right now. It will shrink in coverage. It's moving from the west to the east. We're not going to completely dry out, but this widespread steady rain will slowly come to an end as the evening moves along. Problems, big problems up in Oklahoma City. I know Southwest, all their flights in and out of OKC have all been canceled for the rest of tonight. But look at the thunderstorms down around Waco. That's the back edge of the rain. That is what is moving off to the east. So the rain will slowly taper off a bit as the night moves along. There's the freezing line. Along that line and to the west, that's where we're having our icing issues right now. Looking ahead to 6 o'clock, that's where the precip is. Dallas and then locations off to the east. As we head through midnight, you can see we get a bit of a break. Now we still have some drizzle around as we head through the evening and throughout the overnight. And then we get a break overnight. So, but look what moves in tomorrow morning. Yes, more rain, another round. I'll have more on that round, more on the timeline, more rain for the next few days. The weekend forecast too coming up.
All right, thanks.